Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner from Austin here, and today I'm going to be ranting on Veki Prince. If everyone who likes this user, I'll respect your opinion as long as you respect mine. Enjoy the video. Veki Prince? What? More like Vicky Kiko. Oh my gosh. This user sucks so hard. And I'm gonna explain 3 reasons. Or 2 reasons. I'm gonna explain 2 reasons. Number 1, Veki Prince called someone the N-word. You know the N-word is not nice. And number 2, Veki Prince also called me K9C Coob. Really, Veki Prince? You need to stop bullying me. You need to stop calling me that name right now, or I'll tell Gaming Master to rant on you, Veki Prince. Do you know who likes this user? Joel Armstrong. And do you know who hates this user? Everybody in the whole entire world. Everybody hates Veki Prince in a burning passion. So Veki Prince sucks. And so does Joel Armstrong. Gaming Master, my best friend, is so many times better than Veki Prince. End of rant. If you have any request about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me, on my channel,